we got another storm that's very close to the Big Island later on this weekend. So here's what we've got. It's brand new. It's a little update for the last hour. 90% chance this turns into a tropical depression or a tropical storm. We were talking to Jamie Rome, the deputy director from the National Hurricane Center, and he said he's thinking they might even just go past the PTC, potential tropical cyclone, and just hit it with a tropical depression or tropical storm nomenclature right off the bat. And that's not what we want to see. But if you look at the satellite imagery, it's got that look to it. It's starting to pull itself together, get a little better organized. We start seeing some banding going on. And you can clearly see it when you look at the satellite imagery. That is a sign of a developing storm at this point, and this is what we do know so far. We got Invest 90E quickly organizing near the Central Pacific. That's what we've got right now. Confidence is increasing that Hawaii could see impacts as early as Saturday night or Sunday, and those impacts, for the most part, should be heavy rain and maybe some rough surf also. But if it gets close enough, now you're talking about the wind and the surge threat too. So we'll be watching this. But here's the satellite imagery when you put on that water vapor channel, and there's the big circulation trying to get itself together right now. What's different between this and this is Lala moving away. First of all, look how tightly wound up Lala is. That was a Category 4 storm this morning with 130-mile-per-hour winds. Now it's down to Category 3 again, but it's moving up towards the north. Look at the trail of humidity that's left behind that. Lala didn't have a lot of humidity to work with when it edged towards the Hawaii chain. This one does. I mean, a little more concern for sure. Possibly some more humidity to work with could mean some very heavy rain as a potential out there for the 50 state. So here's what it looks like by Sunday evening. There's that low just south of the Big Island by South Point right now. There it is. This is taking a similar track to Lala, but what are the computer models thinking? We've updated it too. This is a little update from yesterday. The bulk of the model activity has pushed it to the north a little farther, a little closer to the island. Those are all the spaghetti plots. Now, the consensus still takes it offshore, but as you guys know, you've been following Fox Weather, the northeastern quadrant of the storm is the worst part, and that would essentially take almost the same track as Lala did, maybe a little farther down the south. Who knows? It could even jut up to the north a little bit more, but that would put Hawaii on the bad side. And you talk about the winds, the rains, and the rough surf, definitely on that northern side. What about all the computer models, all the individual plots? It's tough to get a final solution when you don't know where the starting stage is because it hasn't formed the low-level circulation yet. But this is the general thinking. It's going to edge up in that direction. So, yeah, Hawaii, rain will be the big threat, something we're watching.